Good evening. This is Jared Ledbetter with Fighter Solutions and the Dev Guys podcast. Today we're going to be talking about a Shopify plugin called the Free Shipping Bar. So what this does is it allows you to insert a top bar, a bar at the very top of the page, to provide information to your customers, whether or not it's a link to a specific product or page or a notification. For example, let's say it's a discount code or a free shipping code or something of that nature, anything like that. Any type of notification you want to give to your customers, you can use this plugin to add that functionality. Keep in mind that some themes have something like this built in. For example, the free Shopify theme called Venture has this functionality built in. Although it's not to the same level, it still does a pretty solid job of getting your customers' attention. So here I am inside of a Shopify store, and we're going to get started by navigating to the left-hand side and clicking on apps. Keep in mind that if you see an app here under the install apps section, these are videos that we've already done. Okay, moving forward, top right hand corner, click on visit Shopify App Store. All right, and this is going to pull up the App Store so that we can go search for what we're looking for. And today we're going to be looking for free shipping bar right there. And right away, it's the first one. There's a free shipping bar right here. We're going to click on this. All right, and you can see if you scroll down through this and read some of this content, you can see that this type of bar is it's a top bar. I'll show you here in the pictures. I'll click on the first image here, and right there you can see at the very top, it's a free shipping notification. So at the top of the plugin page, we're going to click on Add App, and it's going to take us to the plugin installation page. Keep in mind that Shopify calls them apps and the rest of the world calls them plugins. They're the same thing. Okay. So in the bottom right hand corner, we're going to click on install app. And once installed, this should take us directly to the home page of that app within our store. And so, yes, we are here. Now, scrolling down here, you're looking for the dashboard right here in the middle, and it says create new bar. Now, since this is our first one, this is how it's going to look, and it'll look differently after you create the first one. You'll see. So we'll click on create new bar, and this is going to bring us up a list of options, and you'll see right away that there's a difference between the basic templates and the premium templates. Obviously, the premium ones have a lot more functionality built in, and if you're looking to get those premium templates, you can click on this button. All right, and that'll take you to, I'll just do it for you, to an upgrade page. That didn't take me anywhere. Oh, here's what happened. Well, because I'm in a development store, I cannot upgrade. No worries. I'll return to the dashboard, and I will click on apps and return back to our free shipping bar. There we go. So I'll click on create new bar again. It'll bring these up. All right, so today we're going to click on the trust, this blue one, this trust me bar. And here at the beginning is your preview. All right, anything that you change will show up here. And so under content configuration is where you're going to actually input the information that's going to be displayed there. Okay, so I will change the name of this to free ship bar. Obviously, I can call this whatever I want. It says right here, this is for your internal reference. Okay, free shipping goal. We'll just leave that at 100. Initial message, free shipping for orders over $100. Okay, so this free shipping goal is your price value. All right, just keep that in mind. A lot of stores will leave this set to $100. That way, if you exceed $100, then you will have at least placed a significant amount of order with the company for them to want to give you free shipping. And that's the initial message here. Progress message is only $99 away from free shipping. And once you reach that goal, congratulations, you've got free shipping. Add link to the bar. We don't need a link. Include close button. So you could do this, but it's not a good idea, especially if we're going to be going with a free shipping bar that is updated every time you update your cart. So we're going to leave this on. And display position, you want it to push down the rest of the page. That way it's always visible, okay? Well, always visible every time a new page loads. Scrolling down, select your currency. Obviously in America here we have the United States dollar with the dollar symbol. And then here we can select our color scheme. So if you don't like these colors, down here at the bottom, you select different colors. All right, so let's say I want to go with red and a red bar, black text, and I don't know, let's say blue text for the special text. I don't know. Then your bar will reflect that. All right. You want to make sure you come up with a color scheme that is very appealing to your customers, but also matches the theme and the color scheme of your brand. Those two factors are very important. Nonetheless, once you get towards the bottom here, you can select your font style. In this instance, we'll go with the Helvetica. It's by default. Next, you're going to go with your font size. 16 is good enough. Bar padding, right here, tells you what it is. Space between text above and below the border. Pretty much for most part, you can leave this stuff set at default. Target configuration. So where do you want this to be located? Display on any page. All right. Exclude on. You can exclude this from pages. Just leave it on all pages. It makes it easier for everyone. Device target. Display on both desktop and mobile. Yes, definitely. And then if you want this to be specific to a country, then you can put in, so let's say I wanted to, oh, it won't let me type in because you have to upgrade. Duh. All right. Well, if either way, once you upgrade, if you wanted it to be geolocation specific, which is, specific to a country or an area, then once you upgrade, you just type in the country there. Moving further down, if you know JavaScript and you have the premium upgrade, then you can insert custom JavaScript here. It's not something that you're ever going to need for this basic configuration setup, but it's there just in case. Once you finish that, you're going to click on the save button and it's going to tell you bar successfully created. All right. So now that this bar is created, it'll show here in the free shipping bar dashboard. You'll see that it's active with its name, and you can edit, duplicate, and pause. All right. And when you go to your site, we'll click on this view site button. You'll see it at the very top. See that? It pushes your entire page down, and that's what I was talking about. It's going to be visible to your customers no matter where you're at, and that's what you want. And that's all I have for the free shipping bar. If you have any questions or concerns, or you have a specific plugin you want us to review, just shoot us an email at info@fightersolutions.com, or send us a message through social media or whatnot. Uh, if you have any other questions, that's all we got for today. Have a good night and take it easy with the dev stuff.